Dear friend, dear brother or sister in the Lord, I bring you greetings from Zwolle, from the Netherlands. And at this time of need in the world, with the coronavirus worldwide, I just want to bring you a word of encouragement. Maybe you are sick, maybe one of your family members is sick, maybe you have dealt with the death of a loved one, or maybe you're just home alone and you feel lonely. Then I want to bring you this word of encouragement from the Bible. I want to read Psalm 18. King David has just been delivered from the hand of Saul by the Lord. And he writes this: I love you, O Lord, my strength. The Lord is my rock, my fortress and my deliverer. My God is my rock, in whom I take refuge. He is my shield and the horn of my salvation, my stronghold. I call to the Lord, who is worthy of praise, and I am saved from my enemies. This is what King David found out many, many years ago when he was in a time of need. He called out to the Lord. And I want to encourage you in your situation right now that you call out to the Lord and ask Him to help you and ask Him to deliver you from sickness, from death, from sorrow, from loneliness. And God is faithful. He will listen to you. And I want to read one final verse. I want to pray a blessing over you, also from the Bible. This is from Numbers 6, verse 24. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. So with this, I send my blessings to you, and I hope you will call out to the Lord and you will see His goodness and His faithfulness in this time. God bless you.